Hi, Cubs. Happy Friday. I'm going to go over the work that you're going to do really quickly so you don't have any questions. So I'm going to start with awesome and brilliant in reading, and you're going to click here. It says lesson using race. Again, this is for awesome and brilliant. You are going to go to do Miss Amato's lesson. You're going to watch it. Now, we've done race in school, but that's okay. You're going to get a good refresher. It's always nice to get a little bit of a reminder. If you need to see the PowerPoint, that's what she shows you in the video after she's done it. You can by clicking here. And then you're going to go click this link, and it's going to take you to a passage that you're going to read about Patty the bird. And then you're going to answer questions 1 through 5 using race. So get a piece of paper while you're reading, like number 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. And then you're going to write your answer in a complete sentence using race. That's kind of important. That's important for this one, okay? And then you're going to take a picture and upload it to Class Dojo. So that is that's awesome and brilliant reading. For second grade math, you're going to click this link to go to Miss Schauder's fraction video for the week. For the day, excuse me. And then you're going to click after you do that. Please make sure if you can to upload a quick check, whether it's a video or the paper that you've done. Let me know what you did on your quick check. And then here you're going to click. It says activity for your activity. It says equal parts activity from G3 family letter. So when I click on that, and I click allow, it's going to take me to this. Now, this has got a direction, but if I go down to the second page here, it's got the equal parts activity. Now, maybe you don't have sandwiched for bread, so you can't necessarily do this with your parent, okay? So if you don't have sandwich for bread in this way, because it has to be square bread. So if you don't have square bread, you can always use a piece of paper. So if you have a paper that's like this, you can just simply fold it, I would say 4 times. Like fold it in half one way and then hamburger fold the other way. And then just all at the same time, you could cut a square out from this and it'll cut you out 4 squares, okay? So that's one thing you can do. Or if you have Post-it notes in your house, if you got a thing of normal Post-it notes, square Post-it notes, you can use 3 of those square Post-it notes, and it's the same thing. So if you don't have square bread, just use a piece of square paper for that activity, okay? And then, of course, there's optional activities. Optional meaning, of course, you don't have to do them, but you can. All right, so you can if you want to, but again, the one that you should do is this equal parts activity, all right? For my students who are in Cool, Daring, and Excellent, you are going to watch Miss Candleberry's character lessons, and what I found out was it takes you to the wrong lesson, so I will post the right, it takes you to the suffix lesson, unfortunately, so I will post the right lesson link in the message of this video. And then you're going to complete your character chart by explaining how a character's actions impact the story. So you're going to get this chart out and you're going to fill out this side. And of course, the video takes you through that. At the end of it, you're going to upload your work to Class Dojo Portfolio. And there is a helpful sentence stem that I have on the bottom of my chart, but also it's just here on your document, your teleschool document. That way you can check it if you need to. And finally, for math, you're going to click this. You're going to watch the quiz explanation video. That's Miss Candleberry showing you what I need for you to do on the quiz, because there is some stuff about working out your problems and showing me your work. And then you're going to click on this link to take your online quiz, okay? So you're going to take that Advanced Math Friends. And that's really it for Friday, besides I Read and I Ready. So keep up the good work. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. And again, I'm going to put the link for the character actions lesson in this post on Class Dojo. All right, guys, have a great Friday.